Are you a business with multiple entities in multiple locations? Then, like many of our other clients, we have a very good understanding of what may keep you up at night.
What equipment do I have? Is all my documentation in order? Is my documentation even accurate? Where is it located? What is it worth? How effective is our maintenance program? How do I decide whether to fix it or replace it? How do I even sell it? Who's in charge of getting this information? Is everyone looking at this the way I am?
Say hello to Trax, Great American Group's proprietary fixed asset management solution. As a company that has been in business since 1973, offering valuation, disposition, and other asset management services, we are more than familiar with the frustrations that go along with managing your business. We have listened to our clients, and Trax is the solution. Let us show you what Trax can do. It all starts with asset management. If you want organized results, you must start with organized information, and Great American Group is an expert at identifying, inventorying, and valuing any type of asset. For example, say you want to transfer an underutilized or idle asset from one location to the other, or from one business entity to the other. First, you need to know what it is, where it is, what condition it is in, who is responsible for that piece of equipment, and who needs to be notified for approval when the transfer is requested. Once you have it organized in Trax, it's as simple as clicking Transfer on the asset you want to redeploy, at which time all appropriate approving managers will be alerted and notified. Once approvals are verified and transportation is arranged, Trax will assist you in tracking the transfer of that asset throughout the process. Next, let's talk about maintenance. If you aren't controlling the maintenance process, you run the risk of overspending on duplicate assets, not realizing the asset's maximum life potential, unscheduled downtime in production, and even possible fines for not being compliant with regulations, something as simple as on-time vehicle registration. Take this asset, for example. How do you know what was done at the last service? Was it done on time? How do you know if the maintenance was even performed at all? How do you know when to service it next, and who's going to be responsible for it? You can use Trax to manage the maintenance process. You simply create the scheduled repair, the maintenance team is automatically notified once scheduled, and the maintenance team records the service on the scheduled date. In turn, the maintenance manager can oversee the continuous activity and measure its productivity throughout. Finally, let's talk about what to do when you need to dispose of the asset. The last thing you want to do is obviously throw the asset in the trash. But then, how do you sell it? Trax not only helps you manage the sale process from identifying assets that need to be sold to establishing an approval process to do so, but you are backed by Great American's highly experienced Disposition Services Division. By no means can Great American do what you do for a living, so then why take your attention away from just that when you can leverage your partnership with Great American? So now that you know a little bit more about Trax, those difficult questions will no longer keep you up at night. Imagine that now you have your fixed assets inventoried, organized, and all stored on one system. You have a tool to manage and track asset transfers, you have global visibility into your maintenance program, and you have a trusted disposition partner in Great American. With Trax, you're literally one click away from making intelligent and informed business decisions. For more information, please click on the following links.